Hello my gorgeous glam style family, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I am so excited to be sharing with you my tablescape for this summer 2022, as well as this gorgeous 16-piece dinnerware I got sent from the company LOVECASA. So without further ado, here it goes. A very summer tablescape decor and LOVECASA dinnerware review, a glam style. So first, I would like to share with you the unboxing so you guys could see how well packaged these products come in. This is a 16-piece porcelain dinnerware that serves 4 people. It comes with 4 dessert plates, 4 dinner plates, 4 bowls, and 4 mugs. This porcelain dinnerware has a beautiful gold pattern, and it promises us to be thick, smooth, and more durable than ordinary porcelain. Not only that, but it also promises us to be a non-stick glazed surface, easy to clean, easy to store, and dishwasher and microwave safe. And of course, we're going to be putting some of these things to the test. As you can see, every single one of these products come in their own little box. They are very well packaged. None of my plates, bowls, or mugs came broken, which makes me really happy. If you don't like this color, they offer many other colors. I will be leaving the link in the description below. And here it is, all the set together, so you guys could take a better look at it and appreciate the pattern a little better. This dinnerware is absolutely gorgeous. Not only does it look modern, but it looks very luxurious and elegant. I absolutely fell in love with this dinner set. And now that I've shown you how it looks, it's time to start the testing. We're going to be starting with the mugs. I drink coffee every morning, so I will be getting an absolutely great use out of these mugs. As you can see right here, I'm adding the extremely hot water, and I will be touching the mug just to see how hot it gets. Okay, so here's the mug, and as you can see, the water is pretty hot. And as I'm touching the body of the mug, I can tell you that it gets hot, but it's not an extremely hot to where if you would need to grab it from the body, you couldn't. And here's the rest of those gorgeous mugs styled in my coffee station. And now we're going to be reviewing the dessert plates, which I didn't use for dessert. I used them for some food. And as you can see, the food is very, very hot. And look how beautiful it looks on the plate. Okay, so now we're moving on to the next thing, which was that they were microwave safe. So I'm placing one of the dinner plates inside of my microwave for a whole minute just to see how hot it gets. And I must confess that I heard some crackling inside my microwave. I don't know why. Nothing happened to my microwave or my plate, but I did wanted to share that with you just so you guys could be aware. Okay, so now that I'm touching the plate, I did feel that the outside part was a little warm and the middle part was a little bit more hot, which makes me really, really happy. Because if you really think about it, that's what we want. We want the center of our plates to be the hottest because that's where we place our food. And then right here, I was scratching really, really hard to see if the design of the plates would come off. And I'm telling you, I scratched really hard and it didn't come off. And as you can see right here, this dinner set is really easy to store and it doesn't take that much space in your cabinets. Okay, so now we're ready to move on to the fun part of this video, which is decorating our table. To begin creating our centerpiece, I'm going to be using this beautiful champagne sequence table runner from Amazon. I got this a couple of years ago and I will be leaving all the links to everything that I can in the description below. As a focal point of my centerpiece, I added this absolutely gorgeous gold vase. It kind of has like broken glass, which gives it a very beautiful style and detail, and it sparkles a lot. And I paired it with this beautiful blue flowers. The vase is from HomeGoods and the flowers are from Ross. To each of the sides, I added one of this stunning gold candle holders. These are just for show. I will not be turning on the candles just because I have two cats and I wouldn't want no accidents happening. And this is how it's looking so far. Time to set our table and utilize our beautiful dinnerware. I will not be using placemats or charger plates. Instead, I will be using these square mirrors. These navy blue napkins are from Amazon, and the napkin ring I bought at a thrift store in Colorado. And here's where I say goodbye, my ladies. I hope you liked this video and got an idea of how to decorate your table for this summer 2022. And as usual, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Love you, God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.